I want really like most. It's how it looks like trees. Then it was Lily's turn. She waited. She wished she could fly the coop. As she walked to the microphone, the audience smiled and clapped. Her friends did too. Lily could and would read her poem. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Rhyme poems are fun for me. When I done, and out the door, I'll go home and write some more. Lily was a lot of things. A careful color, a patient puzzler, and a quiet hide and seeker. She never made a peep. But Lily wanted also something else. Chicken! Just not all the time.